Google Pixel Watch 4 was announced in August alongside the Pixel 10 family, but only it has become available immediately with the Pixel 10 Fold. The folks at iFixit has released a teardown video of the Pixel Watch 4 and they have snubbed it as the most repairable smartwatch ever. You go into unscrewing some exterior screw which operates as a hinge mechanism inside the watch. Unlike the latest Apple Watch, the Pixel Watch 4 allows for a rear entry. To achieve all this, Google has rethought the entire watch architecture. The vibration motor is held down by screws and connect via pogo pins. Two of the motors actually double down as battery screws. You can swap the Pixel 4 battery in just a few minutes. The screen is sealed with O-ring gasket, which is replaceable and available for sale. This lets the watch achieve an IP68 dust and water resistant without gluing the screen, just using the gasket and screw. The board housing the SoC is very easy to remove. In the end, thanks to the extensive internal redesign, Pixel Watch 4 gets a provisional repairability score of 9 out of 10, 0 being the least repairable and 10 being the most. This is an amazing achievement for something so small.